Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to show you how to install our Stage Series ditch light kit like you see here on this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. We can start by opening the hood and placing masking tape along the two edges of the hood hinge where it meets the panel. Use a 12mm deep socket to loosen but not remove the two bolts holding the hinge to the hood panel. There should be approximately a 1/4 inch space between the flange head of the bolt and the hinge. Bring the ditch bracket through the opening between the hood and the windshield, then slide it between the OE flange bolts and the hinge where the mounting slots are. Make sure the windshield washer tube is placed underneath the bracket and not pinched between. Retighten the hood fasteners while making sure the hinge is in the same position by using the masking tape as a reference. Gently close the hood to check the hood is properly aligned. Once done, remove any masking tape. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the sides of the pod with a nylon ring facing the inside. Then, slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. We can attach our SS3 to the bracket by dropping in our carriage bolt and securing with our washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat for the other side. In the engine bay, use a 12mm socket to connect the positive and negative battery leads on the harness to the corresponding terminals on the battery. Route the wiring how you see fit. On our vehicle, we'll go across the engine bay and route each DT connector under the cowl and up to each pod. Now we can disconnect the included 3-way switch from the harness and tape the ends together. Fish the wire leads through the grommet located on the driver's side firewall and into the cabin. Reconnect the switch to the wire leads. We can now test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties. Make any final aiming adjustments and secure the pods in place using a 13mm wrench and 5/32 Allen. As you can see, with our Stage Series ditch light kit installed, not only does it provide that off-road styling and amber accent light when the main beam isn't in use, but it will also provide an insane amount of light output downrange, whether you went with our SS3s or SSC2s. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series ditch light kit for your 4th Gen Tacoma or any of our other products like our Stage Series fog light kit, check out our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.